Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into a heart. So first we're going to fold this in half diagonally. So we'll bring one of the corners up to the corner across from it. Then I'll rotate that. Next we're going to bring both of these corners up to the top corner. Next we'll turn that over. Now we'll bring this corner down to the bottom, just with these two layers we have here. Next we'll bring this corner out to the corner on the right. And do the same thing on the left side here. And then turn that over while holding everything in place. Now to finish it off, we just need to round out each of these corners. And we are all done. Now, I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.